Hey guys, I got sent over this digital laser tape measure just to do a box opening and kind of give you an idea of what you will get when you order yours. Let's get it opened up and take a look and see what you get. Stick around. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. It does have an app that you can download on your phone. And you have a user manual. And of course, the tape measure itself. Very nice looking. Okay, right here we have our backlit LCD screen. And your tape lock right here, press down to fix and press up to withdraw. Our tape hook right there. And right here we have our laser receiving lens and our laser sending lens right here. Over here on the side. Right here is return, short press to clear the previous actions or return to the main menu. Right here is your function button. This is where you can change your measurements. Right here is your measure. It says short press measurement data. Long press the measurement button to enter continuous measurement. Right here it says unit reference. Short press to units, meters, feet, and inches. Long press to reference a switch. Okay, and right here is your history record button. You want to check the history on your measurements, just press that. Okay, looking here on the back, you have your on and off button. This is where you'll power it on and off. Really nice feeling. It's got your clip right here to put it on your pants or on a belt, whatever. It's like a regular tape measure, like that. And it is about the same size as this 25-foot tape. Really close. And this is the model DT30. And by the way, to charge it, this right here, it will just slide forward, and there's your USB-C port to get it charged up. I just had this cord laying over here, so we'll just plug it in. There you go. We are getting powered up. Has the power indicator right there. Okay guys, I want to show you something real quick, what I've got set up here, and then I'll show you closer. We've got the tape measure ran all the way over to the TV over there, and as you see, running right back to here. Okay, now let's check this out. I want to show you something. Okay, like I showed you, that's running to the TV, and we have, what, about 9 foot 4.5. Right there. Now, let me show you something here. When you're measuring with this one, you need to go about halfway to get an accurate measurement. If you go right there, it's not going to be accurate. And then if you go there, it's not going to be accurate. So you got to kind of go in the middle of the tape measure. And that is the only way you'll get the right measurement. It's got to auto power off to save your battery. So, turn that back on. You can just push the red button, that'll turn the laser on. Push it again, and that'll measure. Now let me move it back. See, I didn't have it in the middle of the tape measure, so we'll clear that. And it's pretty close to the center of the tape measure. There you go. So if you're thinking it's not accurate, it really is. The thing of it is you've got to measure from about right here. Just a little FYI. Now looking through this book, there's a lot of different settings and measurements that you can do. Obviously in this video we don't have time to go through all that, but it's all right here in this user manual. So if you're looking for a tape measure, a digital tape measure, you may want to check this one out. If you want to check this out, I'll put a link down in the description so you can check it out. For other tools and things like this, I'll put a playlist right here for you to check out. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.